I would say like if you have like that resource, like your brother is gonna do it, I would say just make like 5 accounts like under like an LLC with him, using like the status change method. Like at the end of it, consolidate it all back to his brother, back to his name, and
Yeah.
then there you have like 5 accounts that are unlinked to yours. I would do it under yours first because in case like things change or whatever, like at least you don't burn everybody's IDs at the same time. So I kept my family like last. Otherwise, if you didn't want him to get taxed, you'd have to run with the S-Corp. Farouk, is there anything else you want to share? And then I'm going to jump to Jonathan, yeah?
I did have like, so I'm gonna get to, I did want to ask Jonathan actually. So you said you put the passport in, and this is when
Was at
like
at like 5K rev. I got a bunch on holds right
oh,
now,
I
bro.
see, I see, I see, I see.
Because of the
I got
business
you.
address, and they didn't ding me until then, but like it had to match exactly. Like if it says like hashtag instead of apartment, like it's got to match now.
No, I got you. I got you. So Sammy, I do want to ask you about when I'm making new accounts for myself, like under my name and LLC that's under my name.
Mm-hmm.
I don't make a sole prop. Like, what do I do? How do I make it like to where it's like running smooth?
So under like an LLC, you mean, huh?
Yeah, yeah. So my plan is to make like a couple under mine, and then a couple under like my family members. So I think from what I understood is when I make it under, like, for example, my brother, I make it a sole prop, right? And then I make myself like contact. But what
Well,
about
it depends. Like, so
yeah.
when you're making under your brothers, you want to control the bank account, right? Or do you want him for it to be his account and then you're just like using it?
It doesn't really matter. We share money.
Yeah, if you can, I would say like if you have like that resource, like your brother is gonna do it, I would say just make like 5 accounts like under like an LLC with him, using like the status change method, and
Yeah.
then I would like at the end of it, consolidate it all back to his brother, back to his name, and then
Yeah.
there you have like 5 accounts that are unlinked to yours. So that way, by the end of it, you come out with like 10 accounts like that are like in five
Yes.
groups that are independent.
Yes, exactly. So what I'm saying, what I'm asking is like when I start the account, what should I choose? Should I choose like sole prop, like
I would run with sole prop.
for myself and him, like under the LLC? Doesn't matter.
So let me revise like what I'm saying. Yeah, see, I would get an LLC under yours, and then I
Yep.
would make him get an LLC as well, and then
Yep.
and then from there make 5 accounts each.
Okay, so
So don't start it off as sole prop. Start it off like right away as like a business. Like that's what I would have done.
yeah. That and we have LLCs each, so don't do like single member or anything like that.
I would do single member, like, because if he's comfortable with that, then just run with it. Otherwise, if you didn't want him to get taxed, you'd have to run with the S-Corp.
Yeah. Okay. So I don't think. Well, let me think about this.
Mhm.
All right. So basically, you're saying if let's say my mom doesn't want to get taxed, then do a S corp.
Yes, like that's
Okay.
last year was LLCs were working, but now like actually Reforged was the one who told me, right? They're taxing the individual if you don't elect your LLC into an S corp and then choose multi-member entity, and then that's when they charge the S corp or tax the S corp.
Okay. So does my name need to be on the LLC as like a contact or something then for the
No.
multi-member LLC? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it'll just be charged separately, right?
Right.
Okay.
Like,
yeah.
well, say that again though. Like, charge separately. Like, clarify the question.
Like the tax will be charged separately, right? Like, for example, if my mom's like, hey, I don't want to be taxed, and then I choose S corp, multi-member LLC, whatever, S corp, and then
Yes,
she won't be okay.
she won't be taxed.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
it'll go under the S corp.
just to clarify, is Farouk the sole member of the S Corp, or is his mother in there? I just was curious about that.
No, like you could do you can actually do both.
Do either?
That's
I'm
actually,
gonna separate it.
if you
I'm
want to
gonna
go
separate
like
it to make it simple.
right,
That's-
but if you want to make it like super like legit and clean, that's what Reforge was actually doing. He was making S corps, and he would just put in his friends and family as primary contact on. Sorry, like they made them a director of the S-Corp as well.
Would they get like 1% stake, or would they get like
Right,
something
exactly.
yeah.
Something like that.
All right.
And
So
then from there he just put it into eBay. So that was
yeah, he told me he's running out of people. He's running out
right,
of people.
right. Well, it's an easy problem to solve if people are
Yeah.
like if you're like paying them like monthly from the profits. I think
Oh, yeah.
easy enough problem to solve. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So Farouk, does that answer your question on like how I would go about it?
Yeah, I think so. I think so. Basically choose.
Ask your questions if you need clarity, huh? Because that's what the meetings are for.
I just want to make sure I do it right. Like, so basically you're saying if I don't want my mom to be taxed, just go for a S-Corp, right?
Yes.
Okay. And they all have LLCs and everything. That's the best way to do it, right?
Yes. But I would recommend you finish like the 5 on the yours first.
Okay. I was thinking of alternating where I was gonna do like mine, my mom, my dad, my brother, and then back. That way there's also like space between all the accounts. But if you want, I can do it that way. Up to you.
I would do it on the yours first because in case like things change or whatever, like at least you don't burn everybody's IDs at the same time. You know what I mean?
I see. Okay.
So
Fair enough.
it's better like to go down, like finish yours and then take the like I actually started with like the furthest person towards me. So I kept my family like last.
I see.
So that way, if I burnt it, like I burnt like the hardest person.
I see. Okay. Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do it that way. No problem.
All right. Sounds good.